Hello, how are you all? I am Deeksha Kapoor, and in this video today we will be discussing some exciting ways to say or ask, how are you? Are you not bored of asking how are you or listening to how are you in the same style all the time? Hi, how are you? Isn't that boring? Isn't that lame? Okay, let's change the styles of asking how are you and let's impress our friends, colleagues, neighbors, or new friends maybe. So the first style is you can ask them, how's everything? You might hear a reply, I am fine. You might hear a reply, I am well. But the best way, which is, so I am fine and I am well, may be informal. But the right way to reply to that is, everything is great. Everything is nice. Everything is well. Everything is hunky-dory. Yes, those are some interesting ways to reply to that question. Another way to ask is, how's everything with you? So how's everything is in an informal setup. But how's everything with you is in a formal setup. So it's a great way to replace how are you with how's everything with you. Again, everything is great, everything is nice, and everything is not so well. And then the conversation goes on. Oh, what happened? The third way is you can also ask, how was your day? This way also you can start a conversation or you can replace, how are you? Yes, how was your day? My day went fine. My day was super exhausted, or it was tiring, or there was a lot of work piled on my desk, or my day was not so good. My day was excellent today. I saw a movie of my favorite actor. So my day was amazing. These are some ways that you can reply to how was your day. The next is, what's going on? Hi, what's going on? Yeah, that's another style that you can use. What is going on? So everything is great. Going well, going not so great, ma'am. My students would say, ma'am, not so great. I did not practice anything yesterday, so I'm feeling a little low. Okay, I'm gonna practice 2 tests today and I'm gonna feel a little high. I'm gonna feel well after that. Another style of asking how are you or replacing how are you would be, anything new? Anything interesting? Yes? Hey, anything new? Anything interesting? Yeah, so again, replacing the expression how are you, because that is old. So let's try to involve more styles of asking the same how are you in different styles depending on the people that you are asking. Whether it's your a new colleague, a new friendship, an acquaintance, just writing a WhatsApp message, sending a message on Telegram, how is everything? How's everybody? How are you all doing? Replacing that with something new style. So we learned 6 to 7 styles of replacing how are you today. I hope you found this video super useful. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.